love me, pretty little baby? I'm hoping that you do. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours.